takeaways from the workshop were, the first thing was that I realized that I'm actually not that aware about being happy at work. So that was really a good one, because we think about that, I think, not enough. And the second thing was all the tooling, the exercises that you showed us, that we did together, because it's really practical, and you can easily do this with colleagues as well. Because I really love that.
The neurologic part of it, that's new to me, and I find that very interesting how you approach that. And I love the energy at the workshop. I think the group exercises were great.
The two biggest takeaways from these workshops are the insights in the positivity resonance and the positivity ratio. And I really like the team building exercises and the same but different ones. They're really inspiring. So thank you very much.